Come with me to make some carnivore meat chips. To make these, I used my dehydrator. I set it on fast mode for 10 hours at 70 degrees Celsius. To start off with, I had some fatty meat strips that I purchased from Costco. I just placed them out on the tray, giving a little bit of spacing, and I put them straight into the dehydrator. The little boy is our little carnivore cat. His favorite thing to eat is raw meat, so I gave him a little bite from the leftovers that I had. He will devour any kind of raw red meat. So when the little boy was finished with his little snack, I then had to slice up some more meat. I just used a big slab of meat that I had in the freezer. I find it much easier to slice it up really thin this way. I place them evenly on the rack, trying to fill up as much space as I possibly can. Meanwhile, we have the little boy back again for more meat. He honestly loves this stuff and he refuses to eat anything else. Meat chips came out perfectly. They dried up really well and they were really crunchy and crisp. These are awesome kind of snacks to put into your kids' lunch boxes, have as little snacks around the house. And you can serve it with any kind of dip that you make as well. I find they go really well with sour cream. And also the egg dip that I'll be posting very shortly. Here we have the meat boys getting a little upset that I had to keep telling them to retake the video because I wasn't happy with it. And can we take a second to acknowledge that my 14-year-old son has been strict carnivore for about 10 months now and is almost as tall as Anthony. Absolutely insane. 10 months ago, he was well and truly below Anthony's shoulders. So here I actually put aside a few of the little beef chips and added a little bit of the pluck seasoning, mixed it all together, bagged some up ready for our trip to the States and Switzerland. They were awesome snacks to have on the plane. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments below.